In today's video, we're going to make our own brown sugar and honey hand scrub and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is moisturizing, nourishing, and antibacterial. It's not only easy to make, but you probably have most of the ingredients already in your kitchen. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 4-ounce glass mason jar, half a cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar is a powerful exfoliator. 1/4 cup of ground oatmeal. Oatmeal can improve skin tone and texture. Its excess protein helps protect skin from harsh chemicals, sunburn, drying, and rashes. It's also a gentle exfoliant, absorbs oils, and supports against inflammation. 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is a wonderful moisturizer. It's light and absorbs well. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is antibacterial, antioxidant, and moisturizing. It opens pores, making them easier to unclog and cleanse. Add half a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of ground oatmeal to a bowl. If you can't find oatmeal flour, you can grind your own in a spice grinder. Next, mix and clump the ingredients the best you can before continuing. Then add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of honey and continue to mix the ingredients well. Finally, place mixture into a 4-ounce glass mason jar. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store the hand scrub in a cool and dry space. Use within 1 month. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.